So how do you say ticket in Chinese? In English, ticket can mean two things. It can mean like a pass to enter, or it can mean a fine, like you get a speeding ticket or you do something wrong, you get a ticket. So we have to distinguish between those two because ticket means both things in English. How do you say like a pass? So like a boarding pass or something. Piao. Piao. P. So always p. Piao. Piao. Fourth tone. So that's a pass. Now, of course, to describe different types of passes, you would be more specific. For example, a bus ticket. 车票 literally means vehicle pass. 车票. A ticket to entry, for example, for a park. 门票 literally door pass. A ticket to board a boat. 船票. A ticket to board a plane, a boarding pass. 机票, which is the second word for 飞机, which means plane. So 机票. Now let's talk about fines. 罚单. Second tone, first tone. 罚单, 罚单. So if you get that kind of ticket, 罚单, you got a fine. And remember, you can't use 罚单 to say I got fined. The word for fined is 罚款. So it's got the word 罚. 罚 is a word generally used to describe punishing. A fine, a noun, is 罚单, and then 罚款 is usually used in a verb form. 他罚我款，给我罚单. He gave me a fine. He gave me a fine. Jerry teaches Chinese out.